Hi guys, this is my very first time, by the way, at IBIS style, and it's very late at night. I'll give you guys a room tour in the morning, and it's very late at night. It's past midnight, and this is how my makeup is looking like. I'm vlogging with my phone. I just hope that the quality is nice, but I feel so excited. I know the lights are not doing justice to this video. Yeah, so at least the lights are ready, but I'm going to give you a room tour and all the details that you might require in the morning. Yeah, but my makeup is looking so good, as you guys can see. And yeah, so you all have a good night, a good morning, a good afternoon, whatever time that you're watching me. Let me see you guys in the morning.
If you're down, I could take you on a cruise. If you're down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you're down, maybe we could break the rules. If you're down, just let me know, yeah. If you're down, let me feel so sure and I'm mature. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what I want. Try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is it lust? If you down, I can take you on a cruise. If you down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you down, maybe we could break the rules. If you down, just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you down, we couple goals, if you down. When I attention, we go down. If you down, just let me know, yeah. No one make me need my wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, tell me down. Cause if you down, I can take you on a cruise. If you down, I might put that ass on snooze.
Good morning guys, hi loves, welcome back to this vlog.
If you down, maybe we could break the rules. If you down, let me know, cause if you down, we gon' win all the awards. If you down, we couple goals, if you down, when I touch down, we go down. If you down, just let me know, if you're down, I can take you on a cruise. If you're down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you're down, maybe we could break the rules. If you're down, just let me know if you're down. We gon' win all the awards. If you're down, couple goals, if you're down, when I touch down, we go down. If you're down, just let me know.
feels wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives.
I'm sure it's working. Yeah, so today is one of those days that I feel so lazy, I feel so weird, I don't even feel like doing anything. I already had my breakfast, but today is just one of those days. I don't feel hungry, I just feel weird. So I didn't even finish my breakfast. Kwanza the Indomie nasikia tu zinanichafua roho, but anyway, yeah, so I was to go to town. I have a package that I'm supposed to be picking, but I feel so lazy. I feel lazy. Huwezi.
The best of times through color glass. Time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
If you're down, I could take you on a cruise. If you're down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you're down, maybe we could break the rules. If you're down, just let me know, yeah. If you're down, let me feel so showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love.
Please don't forget to like there, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so sorry. Welcome to this sorry. So welcome to this vlog. So I have already made my bed, so right now I want to arrange this, organize my wardrobe, but I think I'll do that off camera.
Take you on a cruise. If you're down, I might put her ass on snooze. If you're down, maybe we could break the rules. If you're down, just let me know, yeah. If you're down, let me feel so sure.
They could be allowed because, you know, malls and vlogging and stuff. And here in TRM, you're not even allowed to film, even using your phone. So I got here earlier. I had some things that I was doing, I think second floor, yeah. Yeah, I had a call, I had to hang up, so I had errands here. I'm done. I went to Carrefour for the first time. I didn't even buy anything at Carrefour. Just because I was just alone, but I got this only. And then, of course, I love milk, so I passed by here. This is creamy Nutrimint, yeah. Then we're going for window shopping with Power Star Supermarket because they are so affordable. Yeah, so as I was saying, so I had a lunch here and I'm done. I didn't even take long because we have somewhere to be with my cousin. We are going for my cousin wants to buy active game. We are going to Neighbors, either Neighbors or Power Star because their electronics are so affordable. So she's waiting for me there. I had Power Star kuna offer. The TVs are so affordable. The TV that I got for my TV, I got it for 29 something. It was almost 30k. Right now, someone told me that it's 26k at Power Star. Yeah. So that's where we headed. Yeah, I see you guys there. Can you unaniona ujajura jificha?
I need a boss, but yeah.
Naomy, Kikky. Welcome back to this vlog. So I just got home and I want to show you the dress that I just got from Star Mall. Okay, it's gorgeous. I didn't expect that it's this cute. So I want to show you guys so that I can plug you because this one deserves to be, because I know someone will be asking because oh my god, the dress is giving. I didn't expect that. Let me kuwasha the ring light and then I show you because this dress, you guys, you're not even ready. Let me take my ring light. I feel so exhausted. This is how the dress looks like. I hope you guys can see me. Actually, it's so gorgeous. See this design. Actually, this design is what made me love this dress. This dress I got it from Instagram. Her page is called Her Closet KE. She's selling cute dresses. I'm going to leave the details there just in case. It's not an ad, by the way, it's just a plug because she has cute dresses. I'm a size 10 and this one fits me so perfect. I love it. I just love how it fits me. If you've been here, you know guys that I love short dresses, so this one is so perfect for me. But yeah, and I'm going to leave her contact details here just in case you want a dress. She has so many dresses that she's selling. Aki alafu, they are so affordable. This one was going for 850. They are so affordable and so quality and so classy and so gorgeous. You're going to love them. I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'm not planning to vlog anymore and it's already at night. Hi loves, welcome back to this vlog. So before I close this vlog, I want to talk about something that is so annoying. Questions that you guys ask content creators, YouTubers, influencers that are so annoying. I'll be talking about those annoying questions that you guys ask on behalf of my content creators. Yeah, so the first question that someone will ask you over and over again, okay, you have told someone that I create content, I make YouTube videos to earn a living. Yeah, and then tomorrow sijui kama nikusahau amesahau ama maybe they think you creating content for fun. You cannot be here creating content for fun 24/7 alafu so utakula nini? But then you cannot be asking that question leo, kesho kutwa, hiyo siku ingine, and you expect me to answer. That's so annoying, by the way, and that's so disrespectful. You cannot ask me the same question leo, kesho. Why are you asking that? Like, okay, I have told you that I create content, I make videos, YouTube videos to earn money 24/7, and you expect that I'm doing that for free, that I enjoy creating content just for free, for what? Like, especially if someone is doing it full time, because if you're doing it full time, it means that you're making something out of it, and you have no right to go asking them again and again. Yeah, so stop that, you guys. If you didn't know, now you know. Alafu, there is this other question that someone will keep asking you. Okay, they know that you're doing content creating ama YouTube ama influencing full time, and then someone has the audacity to still ask you, do you make money from YouTube? When you think I'm creating videos for what? Just for fun? Aki, people are so weird. I cannot be coming here, putting all my energy, my effort, buying a camera, buying a good phone, doing everything I want to document my life just for fun, shooting YouTube videos, risking our phones, risking our cameras in the streets just for fun. Imagine me coming, maybe you go to the office, because this is a job like any other, like the people that go to the office to work. Imagine me asking you, hi sasa, unalipangwa by the way kwenda kwa ofisi? What kind of a question is that? I don't answer this question, by the way. If you have noticed, anytime that you guys ask me how much I earn from YouTube, I don't answer that question. I don't answer. Imagine you working from the office, alafu mimi, it's so disrespectful, by the haina heshima. Hiyo ni swali haina heshima kabisa. That's even invading your privacy. Alafu mimi na akili yangu nakuja kuuliza, hi sasa, by the way, how much do you earn, by the way, every month? Imagine someone inboxing you on social media. They are not even your close friends. You know that coming from a close friend, at least unaelewa, but someone is not even your close friend, you have never met, alafu I inbox you nikuulize, hi sasa, by the way, I saw you work from the office, how much do you earn? I understand, by the way, there is curiosity, because even me, before I became a YouTuber, I was always very curious. I always had these assumptions, ama inalipanga per view, ni 1 bob and stuff. But the moment you become a YouTuber, you understand these things. You cannot be disclosing your private what, like hizo ni vitu too private venye tu nimewambia, like you cannot be disclosing how much you earn from that job you are in it right now. Huwezi ambianga ati kila mtu ati I earn this. Yeah, darling, stop asking YouTubers those questions, by the way. They are so annoying. This question kwanza, it annoys me. Ati someone asking you ati so you just sit in the house and make videos. Okay, I understand. Watu wanaonanga kama creating kushoot videos, it's such like watu wanaonanga kama YouTube money is such easy money, you just creating content. But until you become a YouTuber, I'm a content creator, I'm an influencer, that's when you will understand ni kazi, by the way, and it's 24/7. It's a 24/7 job. Like you create content all the time, you have to ni kazi, by the way. Okay, alafu the tone that you use, so you just sit down, so you just sit in the house all day and create content. People think that content creators are lazy. Yeah, so anyway, you guys, those are some of the very annoying questions that we YouTubers get. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. Let me see you guys on my next video, and subscribe, like this video. Bye.